Again.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So what's the difference? How much were you spending RRO before?
I spend gasoline every day. Okay, 150 pesos.
Okay.
Okay.
And last how long?
Only afternoon,
Okay.
Afternoon only, But when you put what is that?
It's a carbon cutter.
Carbon
Carbon cutter.
cutter.
Yeah.
But you put carbon cutter. Okay, my gasoline is I use tomorrow. Last after tomorrow.
So the 150 lasts all day and still some in next
Yes.
day. Very cool.
Very good. I have remain. I have a remain gasoline. Preparation for tomorrow.
Excellent. It's a good morning, right?
Yes, very good, very good. Yes, very good.
Good. Glad to hear it.
Oh,
So hopefully we can get more your members too.
hopefully I save another gasoline for tomorrow.
Great.
For my another one?
Thank you very much. Thank you for letting us try.
Yes.
No, seriously. Thank you. Okay.